Here we have a 2-inch SharkBite ball valve. People would ask why you need to use a SharkBite valve. Any other ball valve would do. Well, the big difference between these valves and the regular run-of-the-mill sweat valves, not just that it has obviously the SharkBite cushion system attached to it, but instead of having a pipe gland, it has 2 rubber seal rings inside the stem. And because of that, this is the first time I'm opening this valve. I never opened it before. I can open it right away. Usually with large diameter regular ball valves, you need to really force the handle to turn because it's stuck. Also, there is no chance for this stem to drip and leak. I cannot tell you how many times I run into situation when an installed 2-inch ball valve starts to drip. And sometimes it's such a tight place there's no way to just simply desolder it and remove it. We have to cut out fittings, pipes, hundreds, thousands of dollars of damage on large diameter just to change one single valve. Well, with this valve, it will not happen for 2 reasons. Number 1, it will not leak. Number 2, if it leaks, which it will not, it's very simple just to release the 2 SharkBite fittings and remove the whole valve and change it if you need to. You cannot do that with sweat, you cannot do it with press. No other system will allow you to do that. So when you hold this, you can tell just by looking at it and holding it that this is quality. This is not $50, 2-year lifespan, crappy little ball valve. This is serious engineered hardware. You cannot find anything better on planet Earth. So let's install it. We have a pre-cut pipe. We deburr it. I like the older tool. Deburr pipes with deburr both ends. We will mark the insertion depth. For 2 inches there. Sand the pipe. Insert it into the 90 first. And now the ball valve. That's it, it's installed. We can turn it any position we want, handle to be out of the way. That's it. Do that with any other system. I challenge you. Perfect seal, yet adjustable. I will have to line it up with this T I installed earlier, and that completes the boiler loop for the buffer tank.